Today I am painting the laundry room. We've been in our house for 1 week, a little over a week now, by the time I'm recording this, and we still don't have our washer and dryer. They were on a little bit of an order, so we've been running to family's house to do laundry, but the not having a washer and dryer gave me the opportunity to paint the laundry room and kind of make it over. And so I took the opportunity while we still don't have appliances in there to paint. So I wanted to show you guys where we're at in the painting process. I just started last night and got pretty far, and then today I have been painting a little bit off and on. It's literally waiting for paint to dry, and so I wanted to show you guys where we are. So here's where we are. This whole wall where the lockers are, this is done. I am not painting the wall with the window because I'm doing wallpaper there. And then this is the wall that I'm waiting to dry. You can see up there, I still need to do another coat all up on here, but I'm waiting for it to dry. And then if you look at this angle, this wall over here is done as well. So I think I can finish this probably by the end of today, which I need to finish it because the appliances come tomorrow. And so then I wanted to show you guys, let me see, where is it at? I wanted to show you guys the wallpaper that I chose for that space that I was telling you about. So this is the wallpaper that I chose. It's this peel and stick wallpaper. Let me show you guys a better, all right, here's a better video of it. It is this peel and stick wallpaper by Valspar. I got it at Target. It's peel and stick. It's this buffalo check print. They also have like a gray and white in addition to the black and the white, but I just loved the black and white buffalo check. I love buffalo check so much. So this is gonna go, I just got one roll. It's peel and stick, and it says on here that it's just one large sheet. So I'm thinking that I can probably do floor to ceiling here, one whole strip, and then I'm obviously gonna have to cut and piece it together, which is gonna be interesting trying to match up the buffalo check pattern, but I think I can do it. So I just wanted to start out with one of these rolls because I did not want to buy a whole bunch and then have to take it back. I just would rather see how much I have left over from one of these rolls and then go from there. All right, guys, I want to give you a quick update on the laundry room progress. I fully intended to get this wallpaper up before the washer and dryer got here, and then just ran out of time. So I'm trying to work around it. I did get part of it up here, and then this section right here, I just wanted on this one accent wall. And so obviously it's a little tricky working around the window and all these cutouts, but it's just literally like a giant sticker. I did peel off the backing here. You can kind of see the seam line. And then I had to match these seams right there. So this is what I'm gonna work on. So I've just been peeling the backing off here, and as you saw in the clip, I've just been trying to smooth it where I see bubbles. There's a little bit still right there, and so I've just been taking I suppose you could do like any card and trying to smooth out those air bubbles as much as possible without trying to re-lift it off the wall. So I'm gonna keep doing that with my handy Costco card. I'm sure there's probably actual like wallpaper tools to do that, but this is what we're working with. All right, guys, this is the finished laundry room. I will link as much as I can in the description box for you guys. I am so excited about how the wallpaper turned out. I kind of got super involved in putting it up and only, you know, showed a short little clip of me actually applying the wallpaper. But it turned out so good. So if you are thinking about wallpapering and doing peel and stick wallpaper, I don't have any experience with any other type of wallpaper. This is my first wallpapering experience. All you need is a little bit of time and some patience. I did have to match up, like this is a seam line here. There's also a seam line here. And then I had to match portions of it up there. So it does take a little bit of time and effort, but the result is so fun and so beautiful. And I got a rug here to match. It's linked below as well. The wash, dry, fold sign is from Hobby Lobby. These are my washer and dryers, and I linked these in the description box. They're by GE, and I linked them because when I was doing research on washer and dryers, I asked so many different YouTubers what set they have, and no one ever responded. So just out of like sheer passing the info along, I'll link them below for you. I've been really pleased with them so far. They do a really great job. This room is about, I don't know, probably 95% complete. I do want to change out this light fixture because this cabinet door does not open completely because the light is too big there. And then we're gonna add some hardware here. I ordered that from Amazon. I'll link it below. We just haven't added it, but I just wanted to get in here and show you guys a finished little laundry tour. This little laundry hanger sign is from a little local home decor shop, so I can't link that. And then this is from Target. But here's what the laundry room looks like. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this laundry room makeover start to finish as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you guys and taking you guys along for the process. If you guys are excited to see more just home renovations, makeovers as we tweak this new space that we're in, go ahead and click subscribe, hit the like button, and become a part of the YouTube family here. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.